care is very often beyond its reach. I mean, you can indeed, nobody says that public service should be rendered free, but please remember that first and foremost, you must train yourself to be good to society. And that is a very important need. I know that there are, like in every sphere, and not only in your sphere, I come from the Indian Administrative Service, ethics are also a very, very important facet. You are young people, there will be so many temptations, you get posted to a place, there will be people who are listening, but please understand that ethics are a very important part of the medical profession. We've all known about the Hippocrates Oath, so please do good to society. At the same time, I'm sure you will also professionally rise. In an institution, you're also lucky that you have been part of an institution like the Educare Center for Dental Sciences, Educare Institute of Dental Sciences, and I'm sure you will go very far in your career. Now, so far as the future is concerned, I'm sure this institution will grow from strength to strength. I understand that soon they are going to look at getting approval for postgraduate courses. I'm sure nothing will stop them because they have got the facilities, they have got the expertise, and they've got just about everything. I wish them good luck, and I'm indeed, my wife and we are extremely proud and grateful to the management for having invited us here and given us an opportunity to meet all of you. I wish the youngsters who are coming out of the portals of Educare College of Institute of Dental Sciences the very best in life. I would like to thank everyone. Good afternoon. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for evoking in us the sense and the importance of social commitments and surely encouraging each one of our minds on what we can do for a better and promising tomorrow. Thank you, sir.
The most awaited moment. Yes, now it's time we acknowledge the achievements of our graduates. Now, I welcome the Honorable Chief Guest, Sri Bharat Bhushan IAS, to confer the oath scrolls.
Dr. Ajay Kumar Haridas, Principal, Educare Institute of Dental Sciences, to hand over the certificates, and Sri Nasir Kiliamanil, Managing Director, Educare Institute of Dental Sciences, to give away the medals. Hailing from Kayankulam, daughter of Mr. Ashraf and Mrs. Nasima Ashraf. Kites rise highest against the wind. Spreading her serene smile and radiant character, she's a perfect person whose amazing performance on stage and her academics is very well appreciated by all. Dr. Amrita Andu, a native of Thrissur, daughter of Mr. Andu Thomas and Mrs. Molly Andu. Skillful at martial arts, and her zealous outlook definitely makes her a distinct personality. Keeping alive her caressing nature, she is also an astounding leader who's been the chairperson of the Educare Students' Council.
Dr. Amrita Ravindran TM, hailing from Calicut, daughter of Dr. Ravindran and Mrs. Meera Ravindran. Well versed with the notes, she is best identified as a nightingale of Educare. With her versatility in both inborn talents and academics, she has achieved innumerable honors. Her immense enthusiasm will definitely bring up a spark wherever she is. Dr. Anila S., a native of Kollam, daughter of Mr. V. Shashi and Mrs. Surabai. Rise above the storm and you will find the sunshine. Her tranquility, threaded with her academic excellence, made her achieve the university rank for 5 consecutive years.
Dr. Anima Sambashivan, basically from Manalur, daughter of Mr. Sambashivan and Mrs. Rajashri. With her esteemed elegance and pleasing vocals, she is one of the most jovial person you can meet up at Educare. Her outstanding performance on stage is very well appreciated. Dr. Anju Ratnagaran, a native of Trivandrum, daughter of J. Ratnagaran and Mrs. Dushendra Ratnagaran. With her intricate and fine hand skills, she is one among this outgoing batch who has an amazing love for various cuisines and is very well known as a master chef among elixirs.
Dr. Ashwati P., a native of Pandikada, daughter of Mrs. Girija. Her innocence par excellence. This innocent face is very well known among her batchmates for her true worthy and loyal character. Dr. Ashwati S., a native of Balusheri, daughter of Dr. Shankaran and Mrs. Pramila, a dazzling dancer with a serene yet strong nature, a face so radiant with a smile always. Keeping a good academic track record, she is loved by all.
Dr. Deepika S., basically from Mannur, Calicut, daughter of Mr. Srinarayanan and Mrs. Anandavalli, exquisite and classy in the way she walks and talks. She lives every moment of her life to its fullest, collecting bits and pieces of memories. Dr. Dibisha M., hailing from Punnani, daughter of Mr. Muralidharan and Mrs. Geeta, mesmerizing beauty with a positive attitude and a vibrant character, made her own a special place in the hearts of many.
Dr. Divya K. Raj, a native of Calicut, daughter of Mr. K. Premraj and Mrs. Geeta, a perfectionist by birth, is acclaimed for her brilliant hand skills. Her hospitable and easygoing nature is well appreciated by all. Dr. Farida N.K., a native of Kolappuram, daughter of Mr. Birangutti and Mrs. Asya, with her sparkling eyes aptly reflecting her sweet, simple and modest nature, she is a gem of a person. Dr. Farsana Tasneem, a native of Tirur, daughter of Mr. Seidalavi and Mrs. Nasima. It's not what you have got, it's what you use that makes a difference. Her innocent and polite nature makes her different from her batchmates.
Dr. Fasila M., hailing from Valanjeri, daughter of Mr. Kunyi Muhammad and Mrs. Kunyi Bivi. This multifaceted woman is a bold and beautiful blend of willpower, enthusiasm and leadership qualities. She was elected as the college magazine editor 2011 and presently a member of the House Surgeons Association. Dr. Fatima Zumia. Hailing from Manjeri, daughter of Mr. Ismail Kurikul and Mrs. Mariam. This gorgeous, stunning lady, well portrayed as a style icon among elixirs, is so enthusiastic and witty. She is also very keen on keeping her academic excellence at the top.
Dr. Gautam Tanuj, a native of Calicut, son of Mr. Tanuj Kumar and Mrs. Sandhya Tanuj. His audacity intensified with his excellence in martial arts and his passion for capturing life through his cam makes him an eminent photographer.
Dr. Geetanjali KP, basically from Pattambi, Palakkad, daughter of Mr. Ganesh Kumar Gorpade and Mrs. Ambika Ganesh. Vibrant smile and entertaining talks makes her the stress breaker of the entire college. Her innocence and sincerity towards commitments makes her a very special person to all. Dr. Hamda TPM, a native of Tanur, daughter of Mr. Abdul Karim TPM and Mrs. Subaida. In vogue all the time, elegant with her grooves and known for her intricacy in her work and academic excellence, she's a fun-loving person, spreading her liveliness all where she is.
Dr. Haidar Hasib PT, a native of Tirur, son of Mr. Ahmad Kuti and Mrs. Hafrat Ahmad. Professionalism at its peak, perfecting his knowledge, skills and dynamic looks, he is a man who is fun-seeking and also a good motivator.
Dr. Ismail PM, basically from Thrissur, son of Mr. Muhammad Ibrahim and Mrs. Sharmila Ibrahim, a man who gave every meaning for the word fine arts. He's been the Finance Secretary for 2 consecutive years and presently Secretary House Surgeons Association. Passionate about life, his unique ways of winning hearts, dedication, determination and optimism makes him one of a kind.
Dr. Jabir K, a native of Malappuram, son of late Mr. Marikar Kotamal and Mrs. Sulaikha, civil to all, sociable to many, familiar with all, friend to many, and enemy to none. A person who is considered to be simple and polite in his words and deeds, and leads each day of his life in a sympathetic and polished manner.
Dr. Kashyap N. Bojak, hailing from Calicut, son of Mr. Niranjan G. Bojak and Mrs. Sudha Niranjan, energy and persistence can conquer all. Captivating with his ecstatic looks and omnipresence, a guy so jovial, grabbing the guy next door approach. This multi-talented person is a present House Surgeons Association treasurer.
Dr. Muhammad Abdul Rahman TV, a native of Kavanur, son of Mr. Hasaina TV and Mrs. Ismaibi Ike, basing his every equation on his beautiful morals in life, being the university rank holder. His deep knowledge about every aspect makes him a dignified individual. Dr. Mohsina TT, hailing from Shantapuram, daughter of Mr. Muhammad Ali TT and Mrs. Hafsat V. Her name implies a well-proportioned human who loves to maintain a perfect equilibrium between her family and academics. With her exemplary politeness, simplicity and benevolence, she is loved by all.
Dr. Nabila Ibrahim, a native of Edapal, daughter of Mr. Ibrahim and Mrs. Bushra, with her oratory skills par excellence and mesmerizing one and all with a charismatic smile, she manages a perfect equation of friendship among all. Dr. Najla PM, basically from Kottakkal, daughter of Mr. Ahmed and Mrs. Aisha, beaming high and dreaming great, a person whose beautiful views about life makes her a spark in the classroom. Her optimistic and approachable attitude makes her a gem of a person.
Dr. Nazra M., a native of Calicut, daughter of Mr. Kunyimusa and Mrs. Khadija. Her beautiful brown eyes are the first thing striking our mind hearing her name. Her pleasing and good-natured mannerisms makes her different from others. Dr. Neha Sarah Philip, hailing from Kollam, daughter of Mr. Philip Matthew and Mrs. Sarah Philip. Just like the shimmer and shine of a pearl, her deep inner core well bounded by her intelligence. Being true to her work, her words, and her deeds, she has become one of the most patient-friendly doctor.
Dr. Nimi S. Mukundan. Basically from Calicut, daughter of Mr. Mukundan and Mrs. Shobana Mukundan. Her line of thought always reflecting the other side of the coin, inquisitive and curious about every new topic that crosses her mind. She is one among Eliasiers who is absolutely brilliant and bright. Dr. Nivya KB, a native of Manjeri, daughter of Mr. Balakrishnan and Mrs. Jyoti Rani Balakrishnan. Pleasant with her smile, calm as a person, her ever-ending thrill for finding the bliss of life makes her unique in all her acts. She is also a fun-loving person.
Dr. Naufina Habib AK, hailing from Kannur, daughter of Mr. Habib and Mrs. Samira Habib. Her ever-smiling nature makes her get going through every hurdles. A unique blend of boldness and intelligence. Presently, she is the Joint Secretary of House Surgeons Association. Dr. Rusla Salam, basically from Valancheri, daughter of Mr. Salam and Mrs. Razia, splashing beautiful colors on the canvas. Clear like a crystal, her innocence, simplicity, and serene nature radiates her personality.
Dr. Rajuna Pradeep, a native of Calicut, daughter of Mr. Pradeep and Mrs. Sati Pradeep. Her down-to-earth nature, simple and serene values of life, and her intricacy in her skills outlines her personality. Dr. Rumaiza S. Razak, hailing from Thrissur, daughter of Mr. Abdul Razak and Mrs. Shahida, this bold and beautiful diva grabs everyone's attention with her stylish and frank nature, an easygoing, good-to-talk human with beautiful ideals about life.
Dr. Shavna Mariam E.K., basically from Vengara, daughter of Mr. Isa E.K. and Mrs. Subaida, emphatic, vivid, and strong. Her in-depth value for friendship and her no pain, no gain thoughts makes her unique.
Dr. Shajira V.K., a native of Tirur, daughter of Mr. Abdul Ghafoor and Mrs. Subaida, harmonizing her academic excellence and blissful family life, she is a perfect homemaker. Her witty and jovial nature makes her a personal favorite of many.
Dr. Shamna, hailing from Manjeri, daughter of Mr. Alavi E. and Mrs. Nafisa V.M., always amazed by the twists and turns of her life. She is always keen on maintaining her punctuality and perfection in her work.
Dr. Sherin Puthanveetal, basically from Edavanna, daughter of Mr. Sadiq Ali and Mrs. Khadija, a diligent, calm individual whose colorful outlook towards life makes her one of a kind. Her academic excellence surely needs mention.
Dr. Sumi A., a native of Kollam, daughter of Mr. Abu Abdul Aziz and Mrs. Humirat Ruby. She owns a sweet, loving heart. Her craze for Western music and her organized way of living make her distinct.
Dr. Tausif C.H., a native of Shattiparam, son of Mr. Abubakar and Mrs. Rukia, a leader in all sense, a man with solutions, often quiet but known for his diplomatic approach and his endurance. He's been the Secretary of Educare Students' Council and presently the President of the House Surgeons Association. Dr. Riaz Parangodat, basically from Vengra, son of Mr. Muhammad Abdul Razak and Mrs. Zubaida. No words can explain this gentleman of college completely. Admired for his wittiest, thoughtful, diplomatic and dynamic personality, he always captures a special place in every heart among the educarians.
Dr. Majida, a native of Kondoti, daughter of Mr. Abdul Majid and Mrs. Khadija. Her face reminding us of a child's innocence and her serenity in all that she does makes her unique.
Dr. Shamsina, hailing from Kottayam, daughter of Mr. Muhammad and Mrs. Asya Muhammad. This vivacious young lady is so vibrant and energetic, which makes her special among all the others. Dear doctors, your graduation will be complete only after taking the Hippocrates oath. May I now request our Honorable Chief Guest, Sri Bharat Bhushan IAS, to do the honor of administering the oath. May I also request the young graduates to rise up and recite the oath with him.
Please read after me. I swear to fulfill, to the best of my ability and judgment, this